The first ingredients is our beef. Matapos natin i-brown yung beef natin, lagyan natin ng vegetable oil ang ating wok para magsuti tayo ngayon ng ating veggies. Hi guys, isuti natin yung veggies natin guys. Magsimula tayo sa potatoes. Isuti natin guys. Yung ating sobrang mainit na yung oil natin guys. Ilagay natin yung ating garlic. Haluin mabuti until magulin red onion. Onion. Ang bango guys, oh. Ang bango. I-add ko ito. Tomato paste guys. Guys, nilagyan ko na yung beef natin. 1 hour and it's about 1 hour and 15 minutes. So our beef is a little bit tender. The carrots and the green peas. Stir it well, slowly but gently. Again, we will simmer this for 15 minutes and then i-add natin yung now guys, we will add the rest of the ingredients like the pepper bell. Nilagay ko na yung bell pepper natin guys or capsicum. Now we will add this espada chili and the last one guys yung sugar natin at saka yung salt. Ihalo natin mabuti. Yung veggies natin guys almost cook na to. Almost cook. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch or corn flour. Ilalagay ko lang na dito guys. So, bakit ako naglalagay ng cornstarch? Taste. Ano? Simple lang ito guys. 1.5 hour kung sinisimmer yung beef natin kasi tough yung beef dito sa Pinas sometimes tough. Pag kumain kayo nito, hindi na kayong hindi marunong sumulat ng pangalan nyo. You can forget your name totally. Mate! Mate? Magpe-plating na ako guys ha. Luto na yung beef calorita natin guys. Okay, show ko nyo mamaya guys ha. Hi guys! Ito na yung beef calorita natin. Ito na yung finished products. I hope you like it. Please subscribe and click the bell button. Thank you for watching. And if you want this recipe, I can put this in the description. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel, Beef Caldereta, the Simple Cooking YouTube channel. Bye! Have a good day!